Hi everyone, it's Jennifer. 4th of July is coming. We needed a new flag, so I bought a kit so that we could have it out more often. So you get a flag. It's a really nice flag. It has the grommets and the embroidered stars. I'm super excited because here's the best part. It comes with a stake to put it into the ground, and it's adjustable. So you can put it in, and then you can make it a little bit shorter or taller based on your need and based on the earth, because sometimes it's easier to get it a little further down into the ground. And then you will have a sturdier flagpole. So we have this. Then you get these poles that attach and screw together. This is metal. It's really, really nice. You get all of these so you can adjust the size. And then this is the top part. So let's put it up and see what it looks like. Okay, here we go. So thanks to my husband for having shoes on so he could push this into the ground. It's that easy. Then you take the other poles and you just screw them on. You can adjust the height of this. We did end up in the end using all of them just so that the flag would not accidentally touch the ground. To attach the top part here, you have these little hooks and you unscrew that and then you put the grommets on there and you can adjust. There's the base there that moves up and down and there's the little screw there so you can adjust it. All right, let's take a look. Okay, she's beautiful. I love this. Pick one up for you. Get one for all of your neighbors. It is just the perfect kit. We are loving it. Enjoy all the summer holidays and God bless America.